Teaching students about our galaxy is a lot like going on an adventure. They will visit many different places, including the sun, moon, stars, and planets. Along the way, they may even discover a few new planets. It's important to remember that the students need a way to maneuver around throughout these travels. Hello and welcome. For those of you who are new to my channel, my name is Mary Ellen and I am an educator in the state of Illinois. Children love space. They watch movies where the main character explores it, they talk about it, they read about it. It's at the forefront of a lot of children's minds. Therefore, when you teach a unit that is focused on this concept, you can get a lot of buy-in from your students. I like to use this particular lesson at the very beginning of my unit. It would work as a review at the end as well. In order to really excite my students for our upcoming unit, I bring in some visitors to present a PowerPoint on space. It provides some basic facts, talks about the planets, includes some space humor, and then has a very engaging song related to the order of the planets. Now, keeping those students engaged is really important. So once the PowerPoint is over, my brother and sister utilize my solar system software by Daydream Education. And this is just a quiz type of program that the students really enjoy. As educators, we are always modifying our lessons in order to meet our students' needs. Therefore, after the introduction, I do either one or both of the following activities. First, since the students just learned some information about planets, I like for them to apply that knowledge and create a planet of their own. The first step in this activity is for the students to complete a book template that I found online called If I Discovered a New Planet. I'll be sure and link that in the description box below. Once the students have completed their book, they are then given a half a piece of styrofoam ball glued onto poster board. The students use all different kinds of media, paint, glue, markers, stickers in order to create their planet. And best of all, once they're completely finished, they get to present their planet to the class. This is a really fun activity and the students get very, very creative. At the very beginning of my video, I mentioned it was important that the students had a way to maneuver around. What better way to do this than a rocket ship? For my younger students, I start this focus out by watching my fantastic field trip to the planets. Then it's time to build our rockets. Now, before I start this activity, I do ask the students to bring in empty pop bottles. And the reason I do this is to make sure we have enough empty bottles for the entire class. Then it's time for the students to create their rocket. The leaders and myself make sure that we're facilitating and helping when needed. When everybody's done, we get to go outside and shoot them off. My students again really enjoy this activity as well, and they feel like they're explorers blasting off into their unit of space. Thank you so much for watching, and remember to be proud of your work, productive in your day, and positively joyful.